吃毛毛，吃毛毛了。
Last candle before we go inside. Come closer to me, please. I'm waving
Still 2 hours and a half, son. Woo!
Yeah, that's it. We can see some servers. Servers are in the green color uniform.
Yeah.
And under the light color umbrella, you can see some people. There are white shirts, there are black jeans. Some are wearing the sunglasses. They are fresh tickets. Because they dress so special. Actually, they're all walk. Every year. Every year. You know the national. Under maintenance. They are repairing it. I think they're going to 1 we go inside, it will be easier. Yeah, don't worry. When we go inside, the walking will be easier. Because fewer people inside, and we can find some shade. Just follow the flow.
我呀，我到烧了，你是到的。哦。
we move on. Yeah. When we go inside, buy you water?
Yes.
We are inside. Eventually, we are inside. Slow down a little bit. Well, my friend, ladies and gentlemen, I'm eager to say, eventually we are inside the Soviet Union. Welcome here. We are inside the I will walk very slowly. If you want to take pictures, you can. But please don't take much time. From Nanjing to Beijing. He was the one who formed here to be the capital. And from then on, the capital of this country is always in Beijing. Qing dynasty ruled here as well, and Chairman Mao followed. If he didn't do so in the early 16th century, we never know which city is the capital of China today. Okay, now we come to the first gate. You can see a gate here. Its name is the Gate of the Silkworm Harmony. Now you can see, we can find the keyword harmony. The whole Forbidden City covers 72 hectares. 72 hectares. It is also one of the Can you see? I'm nearsighted. Can you see, sir?
We only go one way and then go out.
I know.
Oh, don't come back.
this all the man-made. So this the water it moves very slowly. They link outside the baby granny canal. So they have the fish here, tiny fish. No, the big one, the huge one, they take to the zoo. Every 5 or 6 years they change it.
展开了一场殊死拼杀。桃园结义的刘备、关羽、张飞三兄，在迎战董卓大将吕布时，体现出盖世英雄的豪迈气魄。在一项惊险刺激的战争场面，游客朋友们，您将看到猿人张飞手持长矛的英姿，红脸关公跃马飞奔的风采，还有刘备挥舞双股剑威，武艺超群的吕布更是威风凛凛。汉国关张酣战上半回合难分胜负的精彩场面，更是令人难以忘怀。演出中担任主要角色的都曾参与过诸多影视剧的拍摄，他们个个身怀绝技，真刀实枪地为大家演绎这段惊心动魄的场景。另外，我们演出。
một cười sao nào 眼睛看前面。
忘了油啊！有油啊！那咱俩别让人撞。
Where are you guys?
One up here all by ourselves. Trust me.
They will kick us out of the country so fast.
No. They have to track me up, down, and give it back to him because we are all troublemakers. They wouldn't run.
Because your brain run too fast. Yeah. Oh, I think you could cross from the island over here.
Yes. Okay, so now is not the good season for the tea leaves. Why? Because the best season for us to drink the tea, that is spring. From the early spring to late spring. So when at the spring season you come here, you will find a lot of the local farmers, they pick the tea leaves. But they only pick the top, the smaller, younger, tender tea leaves. They didn't pick this one. So we use this one, we wash it, and then we dry it. We drink the dry tea leaves. But this one, every year at the summertime, did you see here the tea bush? They already cut it, right? Some they didn't because they use a machine to cut it, and they will cut this one made for tea bags. So that is the difference from the tea leaves to the tea bags. Next time when I visit your hometown, don't invite me the tea bags. That means nothing, right? It's free at the hotel. Okay, so if you want to take photo, here is the best place. Why? Because at the back you can see
for beer.
Oh.
For beer means give me more. The restaurant accounts of drinks. Okay, now the second cup, yeah, it's hot. We can use the second cup to steam the ice.
The technology pavilion. Yes, like a shell. Ready to open. Very beautiful designing. This is for the high-tech exhibition. So we still keep there. Only two have been kept, but the others have been turned down. Because you see here, the very close to the Huangpu River, so as a river view golden area. So they prefer to cherish the land, 1 inch in land, 1 inch in gold. So that's why they turn down all the others and build down something new, some new office, new hotel. Okay. So here is the Huangpu River, as I mentioned, our mother river. Huangpu River. Huangpu River. Huangpu. Huangpu. Yes. Do you remember yesterday we say the Pu? Pu also is a short name for Shanghai. So some of you go to Pudong Airport, right? Pudong. Why is called Pudong? In Chinese, Pu is Shanghai. Dong is mean the east. So in fact, the airport is located at the east of Shanghai. So hence the name Pudong. Chinese Pudong. That's the airport name coming from. Something like this. So Pu from this river, Huangpu. So gradually come to the nickname of Shanghai. Pu. So Pudong, Pudong, the east of Shanghai. And then in the meantime, to reduce the gasoline power bicycle, including these kind of buses. So gradually, probably a few years later, when I come back to China again, all electric power vehicles. So gradually.
Everywhere you go, brand new high rise.
I can show you very safe here. Why?
อ้าวสวัสดีผมว่าจอก